how's it going? What are your projects today?
Well, we have a few people in helping. We're working up at the sauna, putting in a new on-demand water heater. Imagine that.
Imagine that.
Howdy. This is the world famous Camp Voyageur sauna, built many years ago and rebuilt a couple times. Inside here there's 3 showers, a sink where you can shave, wash your face and stuff. This is a wood-fired sauna. The stove is accessed from the outside. Make a fire, and then the heat rises up here. We have the rocks, and when it gets really hot, then there's always the challenge to put some water on the rocks, so it makes a huge hot steam bath. I'm Kevin O'Kane. I'm from Noblesville, Indiana, which is just northeast of Indianapolis. I was a camper here in 1969, 1970. I was a kitchen crew in 1971, 72, and then a counselor in 1974, cabin 3. We are changing out a tank water heater for a tankless water heater. And the reason is that with the 40-gallon tank heater, it would run out of water in about 10 minutes. And with the amount of people that travel through here, down in the lake to wash off, 10 minutes didn't last very long. So we're putting a tankless in, which means you get endless supply of hot water, as long as the gas tank holds out, which will be weeks before you can drain that. So you can come in here, take a nice comfortable shower, clean up, and then enjoy the rest of the day.
So we're changing this flashing so it doesn't leak. We're putting a different size pipe in here instead of 3-inch, a 2-inch. So we have to change this piece here. That seals it when it rains. My name is Jim Bergman. I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio, and I work on corporate jets. I work for a company called Executive Jet Management. We manage people's airplanes. My first year was 72, and I came 4 years consecutive, 2 months out of each summer. And then I've been coming up here for work camp for the last 8 to 10 years. Kind of helping out, get things ready for the campers. It's beautiful up here in the North Woods. Come on down.
Camp Voyageur is the best.